This is the final video that I'm going to make this evening before I go in to put the tea on. I feel like I'm fast becoming some kind of content zilla. I'm enjoying making content and uploading it straight to TikTok. I wanted to add to my last video where I talked about captioning because the reason it's so important for me to make captioning for my videos is that I actually am rapidly losing my hearing due to Waardenburg Syndrome Type 1. I have quite considerable hearing loss now. And a lot of my family are deaf and are hard of hearing because of this condition. And so it would be a bit of a nonsense for me to be making content that doesn't have captions, because then I can't actually access my own content, and certainly a lot of my family and such won't be able to access it. And I could get around that problem by just doing everything in English, but doing things through the medium of Welsh is obviously very important to me because I write in Welsh and I speak in Welsh and I sing in Welsh. And so I need to try and get around the captioning problem. And then I thought, just because this is some kind of random video, I would tell you a little bit about this microphone. It is a smartphone studio mic by Soundbrenner. And it's £129 or thereabouts. I actually got it very cheaply because I bought it at the same time from the same company as I bought the vibrating metronome, which is a whole other video. And I somehow, with the package, you actually got it for £102.74 less. So I only paid £27 for this microphone, which is an absolute bargain. And I'm hoping that technologies like that will help make my content more accessible. So yeah, and I've lost the little fob to switch.